Imagine this. You're cruising down the highway, singing off-key to your favorite 80s power ballad, when, bam, you rear-end a luxury SUV towing a boat. The damage? A cool $750,000. Your auto insurance tops out at $300,000, leaving you $450,000 in the hole. Do you sell your vintage comic book collection or start a lemonade stand to cover it? Neither, my friend. Enter Umbrella Insurance, the unsung hero of your financial world. It's like a parachute for your wallet, swooping in when your car and home insurance wave the white flag. And here's the kicker. With a little deductible magic, you can snag this coverage without selling your soul or your kidney. Let's dive in. Umbrella Insurance isn't about shielding you from a sudden downpour, though that'd be handy. It's extra liability coverage that picks up the tab when your vehicle or property insurance says, "Sorry, buddy, you're on your own." Think of it as the overachieving cousin who steps in when the rest of the family flakes out. It covers things like bodily injury, property damage, and even those pesky lawsuits. Say, if your dog decides your neighbor's leg is a chew toy or you accidentally slander someone on social media, oops. Here's how it works. Your auto insurance has a limit. Let's say $300,000 for damages you cause in an accident. Your homeowner's policy might cap liability at $500,000 if someone slips on your banana peel-laden porch. If a claim exceeds those limits, Umbrella Insurance swoops in to cover the excess, up to its own limit, often $1 million or more. Picture this. You cause that $750,000 fender bender. Your auto policy pays its $300,000, and your $1 million umbrella policy handles the $450,000 left over. You're not eating ramen for the next decade. Hallelujah. Let's face it, standard vehicle and property insurance are like those friends who promise to help you move but bail when they see your collection of vintage typewriters. Auto insurance typically has liability limits like 100/300/100, $100,000 per person, $300,000 per accident, $100,000 property damage. Sounds decent until you T-bone a Tesla and rack up six-figure medical bills. Homeowners insurance? It's great if your kid's baseball shatters a window, but if a guest takes a tumble down your stairs and sues for $800,000, that $300,000 liability cap starts looking like pocket change. Umbrella Insurance fills these gaps with the grace of a superhero landing. Multi-car pileup? Covered. Guest breaks their neck doing cannonballs into your kiddie pool? Covered. Even weird stuff like libel lawsuits or damages from a fender bender abroad can fall under its protective wing. It's the difference between keeping your house and auctioning it off to pay a lawyer who charges more per hour than your car's worth. Why is this a big deal? Because in today's so-happy world, one bad day can drain your savings, seize your home equity, or garnish your wages faster than you can say, "Objection." If you've got teen drivers, a trampoline, or a rental property, you're basically a walking lawsuit magnet. Umbrella Insurance says, "Not today, legal system." Picture this. Your teen just got their license and is zooming around like a stunt driver. You might as well put a sign on your front lawn that says, "Lawsuit welcome." Now, let's not forget about that trampoline, an accident waiting to happen. It's like a magnet for neighborhood kids and their wild antics. And if you're renting out property, you have guests who might trip over their own 2 feet and sue you for their misadventures. Better be safe than sorry. Umbrella Insurance is like your safety net, catching you before you hit rock bottom. It's the invisible superhero you didn't know you needed. So, are you ready to protect yourself from the lawsuit apocalypse? Let's get that umbrella ready. Now, you might be thinking, sounds great, but I'm not made of money. Fear not. There's a nifty trick to make Umbrella Insurance fit your budget. Raise your deductibles on your auto and homeowners policies. It's like trading a fancy latte for drip coffee so you can afford a VIP concert ticket. Here's the scoop. A deductible is what you pay out of pocket before insurance kicks in. On your car, it might be $500 for a fender bender. On your home, $1,000 for a busted pipe. Bump those up, say, to $1,000 and $2,500, and your premiums drop like a bad habit. Why? Insurers love it when you take on more risk. They're off the hook for small claims, and you save money. It's a win-win. So, there you have it. Umbrella insurance is your financial safety net when life throws you curveballs. Don't let your hard-earned savings get wiped out by one accident. Grab that umbrella and keep it handy. You never know when it might rain.